In this episode, we're going to draw iron thorns. A mechanical tyranitar. From the future. Otherwise known as the Paradox Pokemon.
Now, if you want, but you can't split the ticket. In other words, I wanted to keep the Knicks. I let the Rangers take those. No. Yeah, get rid of both of them or none. That's why it says right there with both of them. All right. But as it stands, I won the 2 bets on the Knicks already. They won 44 games. So we won the 42 game bets and 44 game bets. They're 2.5 games ahead in the playoff standings. All right. With 7 games left. Yeah, anything could happen. Now this guy got hurt. I don't know. So you might have lost.
Here we have the bioluminescent glow.
The what do you call it? The playoffs. Yeah, the playoffs. The other games I won. They won 42, they won 44. Yeah. So I would have picked up $800 right there. Minus what you lost on the playoffs. Yeah, but now I don't know. Randall played. Yep. And if I would have bet, instead of betting the Rangers, bet the 40 big fight. They get into the playoffs last year. I should have bet into the playoffs and not which depends on the points you can accrue. Yeah. Every time a team wins in a hockey league, you get 2 points. Right? They're right up there in points. I think they got 98 points. Well, so they're gonna. I think maybe 1 or 2 more games they get into the playoffs. They can lock it. I would have won that bet. Yeah, I wanted to play it safe. Better off there. Huh? Better off. Yeah, I didn't have to work. What I was doing was so bad. I was putting money on the side of an envelope every month, Chris. I didn't want to get hit for $1,600, $1,700. I was putting money on the side.
Filing your taxes can feel like a big mystery. The tax guy can do everything you need to solve it for less. File this one under maximum refund.
There we go.
The more money I can pay out for the nail, the better off. Unless they know the better.
No, that's stuff in between the wafers. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat. Enjoy a bigger bite with Big Cat. Watch McDecky's Hyundai Sunday Game of the Week. Brought to you by your local Hyundai dealers. There's never been a better time to test drive that Hyundai you've always wanted. It's your journey. Go every mile in a brand new Hyundai. Visit buyhyundai.com today. Hi, I'm Peyton Manning, and I'm partnering with
He's not advertising this guy. Peyton? And what's his name too? Eli. Yep. You guys are doing all right with this advertising. We're making just as much in endorsements as we're playing. I don't know about that, but I see him a lot. I think Eli was making. I don't know what the hell they get for this stuff. I have no idea. I think Eli was making what? Huh? 30 million? On these advertisements? No, when he was playing. Oh, no. No. They won't make it that much more.
12 seconds to remind you that if you're high, just don't drive.
Don't forget,
Because if you feel different,
he retired about 4 years ago.
Here we are.
Yeah. Eli 2 years ago. So things are a little different now. No, that's what I'm saying. It was Eli making money before he retired. Like 30 million a year. It's a good deal. Like what are we talking shop over here? It's a lot of money. That is, like these guys, they signed these contracts. Like Jones, he signed $160 million.
Here's his tail.
That's $40 million a year. For 40 consecutive years. Yeah. What do you do with all that money? What would you do? Okay, you got a win for you want some 40, you're gonna get $40 million a year. What would you do?
There we are.
Big ranch. Huh? Big ranch. Property. Buy a ranch? Yeah, property.
This Sunday, the first
I promise there'll be more mechanical Pokemon like this soon. These lights here, they are part of the mechanical Pokemon's bioluminescent glow. It kind of reminds me of Hades from Bakugan U Vestroya a little bit. With this mechanical Pokemon in check, he doesn't have to evolve or Mega Evolve, but he's still a great fighter. I consider him complete.